All right, what's going on, guys? Welcome back. And today we are going to talk about something very interesting. But before we do, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the knowledge. So today we are going to talk about an NFT project called Astroheads NFT. It's a unique project, has a strong community behind it, and we are going to go into what makes it so unique and why you need to pay attention to this project. So let's go and take a look at this project website. And I did a little research really about the project beforehand, and I was actually one of the lucky few who got their whitelisted spot, and I get to mint pretty much on a discount. Right now we go to their website. It's a very cute website. They do have their arts set up in a way which is very cute, very unique, very colorful. You can join their Discord. You can go to their website. You go to their main website here. It's very simple. It's very unique. Let's put it this way. What they want to do is that they do have a couple of things in their arsenals, right? So first thing first, they used to reserve around 1,100 NFTs. Right now is at 8,851 generated unique NFT. These are the OGs NFTs, and as you can see, they do have some of them are like, the multi-face, the laser eyes, the Tesla. You can pretty much go there. What really unique in this project is that they're planning on doing something with their OG NFTs, which send them to a college or send them to a school, which is pretty unique, pretty nice idea where you can burn your NFT by sending it to a school and then graduate it, which basically they are going to take your NFT. You're going to receive a new NFTs with more rarity tools, with more upgrades, more mature ones that pretty much will help the price for your NFT to skyrocket. So we take a look at it closely. Let's take it at their phases or their roadmaps. They call them phases. So phase one starts pre-mint. They talk about building community, and they're talking about launching $20,000 giveaway. And phase two start minting day. Here they are after sold out of 150 ETH will be reinvested toward partnerships, hires, marketing campaigns, and they're ready to start doing that. Community fund, which pretty much what they're doing is that they're incentivizing people right now to not list their NFTs on OpenSea, and in return they're creating a pool where they will give back the community all the generated funds from that pools. So whomever's listing their NFTs on OpenSea, they are not going to be able to enter that closed pool. And from that generated funds from the sales on the OpenSea, for those people who already listed their NFTs over there, that fund will be redistributed among the communities for those who actually delisted their NFTs and not listed on OpenSea. So it's pretty unique. I like the idea, I like the people behind it, the developers, and these guys are actually used to be in e-coms, so they understand how to market things and really how to pull some interesting ideas. And I like the fact that many people right now are coming toward the crypto industry from all around the world, from all different backgrounds, from art, from e-coms, from technology, from development. So you get a mixture of all of these backgrounds. So you go to their missions, and the missions is pretty much to be the first Astroheads Academy will be announced after sellout. They're planning on building like a small school or academy in Nepal for the people over there, like an act of charity, which is really nice. And after that, we really need to go to their Twitter. So you go sign up with your Discord link in the description, and also for their Twitter account. I'm gonna put all the links in the description for you guys to go there, because there are a lot of fake websites right now for this project to claim to be an Astroheads, simply because this is a big success so far. So when you have a successful project, here's what's going to happen. A lot of people try to copy it, and go to the official links, and you will see all the links over there, official links only. But I'm going to make it easier on you. I'm going to include all the original official links in the description below this video for you to see. If we go to Twitter and take a look at their accounts, you are going to see what they are actually doing. And also what we can see is put a notification on their latest tweets so we don't miss out. So all in all, it's a great project. Let's go to their OpenSea and let's take a look at what the OpenSea page for Astroheads looks like. All right, so OpenSea has the Astroheads, and by the way, keep in mind this is the only official OpenSea Astroheads NFTs page. There are some copy ones, all of them are fake. You need to be careful when you go there and search for these NFTs. This is the OGs, this is the official page, and from what I can tell, it has a very healthy floor price. The price jumps up and up and up every 5 to 10 NFTs, which is something very good in any single project that we are going to take a look at. So that's what I'm saying. It has a few amount of NFTs right now listed on OpenSea, while they already minted 8,815, something like that. So it is very, very important to keep as many NFTs delisted as possible in order to raise that floor price. But I have to tell you something. I got into the whitelist on this project, and I got the opportunity to mint 5 NFTs. And among these 5 NFTs, believe it or not, 3 of them were very unique. In fact, one of them, it is in the top, I would say, 100 or so. So I'm expecting a huge return. In fact, even if I'm selling right now at full price, only if I want to sell 2 at the floor price, I'll probably double my money, double my investment, or at least recoup it. Worst case scenario. However, the whole thing is with NFT is to search for the good projects, make sure to get on early. However, if you can't get on early, it doesn't, don't worry about it. It's always good to invest in a good project that has a great amount of community and backing behind it. This is exactly what I'm going to do from now on, bringing you guys a new project that is really solid, that has great community behind it, and also that can 100x and even 1000x. In my mind, Astroheads NFTs, they just got started. They do have a phenomenal future in front of them, especially in the coming 2-3 months for this bull cycle. I believe they can easily 100x. I mean, the NFTs here, within the next, I would say, a month or two, we can say goodbye to 0.2 or 0.4 or even 0.8. Minimum floor price I'm seeing is 0.9. So if you get into these while it's been in the minting phase, congratulations. If not, this is still an opportunity to double and even triple your investment. Thank you so much. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.